Number 1. 1980 Ford F-150 4x4 short bed, $8,500, New River, Arizona. This 1980 Ford F-150 four-wheel drive short bed comes from the final years of the dent side generation. It is powered by a fresh 351 Windsor V8 with a manual transmission. The suspension has been refreshed, and updates include new interior components, tires, and wiper motor. The body is sealed in epoxy primer and ready for paint. With a clean title and camper shell included, it is a solid restoration or driver candidate. Number 2. 1986 Nissan Hardbody long bed, $2,500, Hillsboro, Oregon. This 1986 Nissan Hardbody long bed is equipped with a V6 engine and 5-speed manual transmission, sending power to the rear wheels. Known for durability and simple mechanical design, the Hardbody has become increasingly collectible among compact truck enthusiasts. The odometer is not functioning, but the replacement lower mileage engine adds value. Finished in silver with a clean title in hand, it is described as a running and driving project. Included extra gaskets, seals, and brake components are a plus. Located in Hillsboro, Oregon, this truck is an affordable entry point into the growing vintage Japanese pickup market. Number 3. 1986 Chevrolet C30 2.454 to $4,500 Texas. This 1986 Chevrolet 1-ton 2-wheel drive cab and chassis flatbed is powered by the legendary 454 cubic inch big block V8 paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Designed for heavy-duty work, the 1-ton platform is known for durability and torque. The rocker panels are rust-free, with only minor rust beginning at the cab corners. With a clean title in hand and a solid structural description, this Marquez Texas truck offers excellent value for commercial use, farm duty, or custom heavy-duty builds. Number 4. 1969 Chevrolet C20 Custom 350 V8, 13,000 Murrieta, California. This 1969 Chevrolet C20 long bed is powered by its original 350 cubic inch V8, backed by an automatic transmission. The 1967 to 1972 Chevrolet truck generation is one of the most sought-after classic truck platforms, valued for its clean body lines and strong aftermarket support. The paint was refinished in the early 2000s and still presents well. The interior is in great condition with a clean dash and functional gauges. As typical for coastal California trucks, there is minor rust at the door corners and drip rails, while the floors and undercarriage remain solid. Factory air conditioning is present but not operational. Located in Murrieta, California, this truck offers authentic character and strong cruiser appeal. Number 5. 1969 Chevrolet C10 LS swapped, $15,000, Calhan, Colorado. This 1969 Chevrolet C10 short bed features a modern 5.3-liter LS engine swap with a performance camshaft and electronic engine management system paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. Lowered for improved stance, it delivers modern reliability within a classic body style. With 57,000 miles shown and a clean title, this Calhan, Colorado truck blends vintage styling with contemporary drivability, making it attractive to enthusiasts seeking a resto-mod configuration. Number 6. 1965 Ford F250 Custom Patina, $14,450, Alameda, California. This 1965 Ford F250 Custom presents in desirable patina finish while benefiting from extensive professional refurbishment. Powered by a modified FE Series V8 reportedly upgraded internally to approximately 390 cubic inches, it is paired with a 3-speed column shift manual transmission and a heavy-duty Dana 60 rear axle with 4.10 gears. The frame and metal are described as straight and solid, retaining only surface patina. Registration is current through October 2025 with clean documentation. Located in Alameda, California, this truck offers strong mechanical performance with authentic vintage aesthetics. Number 7. 1957 Chevrolet 3100 Big Window, $17,000, Watsonville, California. This 1957 Chevrolet 3100 Big Window short bed combines iconic Task Force-era styling with updated underpinnings. Mounted on a 1986 Chevrolet Caprice chassis and powered by a small block 305 V8 with an automatic transmission, it offers improved ride and drivability over stock configuration. The big window cab is especially desirable for its larger rear glass and enhanced visibility. With new tires and a clean 1957 title, this Watsonville, California truck is ideal for cruising while completing cosmetic personalization. Number 8. 1966 Chevrolet C10 short bed, $20,000, Cedar City, Utah. This 1966 Chevrolet C10 short bed has undergone extensive mechanical restoration. It features a powder-coated frame, a balanced 350 cubic inch V8 with performance cylinder heads, aluminum intake manifold, performance ignition system, and a 3-speed automatic transmission. Equipped with power steering, power brakes, front disc brakes, and a posi-traction rear end, it offers enhanced drivability. The interior and red oak wood bed floor are newly installed. With a clean title and strong mechanical specification, this Cedar City, Utah truck is ready for final paint and show-level completion. Number 9. 1983 Nissan 720 4x4, $19,999, Vancouver, Washington. This 1983 Nissan 720 four-wheel drive is powered by a 2.2-liter Z22 engine and 5-speed manual transmission. Showing 143,000 original miles, it is presented in exceptional condition with fully functional features and a clean title, making it a rare collector-grade compact truck. Number 10. 1947 Ford F1 Hotrod, $25,000, Fox Island, Washington. This 1947 Ford Hotrod pickup represents the immediate post-war era of American truck design. Equipped with a high-output 327 cubic inch V8, 3-speed manual transmission with Hurst shifter, and a quick-change rear end, it delivers strong traditional hot rod performance. Described as a straight and well-cared-for two-owner truck, it features new tires and a tonneau cover. Located in Fox Island, Washington, this classic blends heritage styling with proven small block power. Number 11. 1953 Chevrolet 3100 5-window, $9,800, Modesto, California. This 1953 Chevrolet 3100 5-window half-ton pickup is powered by a 235 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder engine with a 3-speed column shift manual transmission. The 5-window configuration adds rear corner glass for improved visibility and collector appeal. The truck is described as solid with minimal floor rust and good cab corners, though it has been sitting for several years and has not been started. Included extra parts add restoration value. Sold with bill of sale and documentation for title processing in Modesto, California. It presents a strong foundation for restoration or resto-mod build. Number 12. 1987 Chevrolet V30 Silverado, $9,900, Casper, Wyoming. This 1987 Chevrolet V30 Silverado regular cab single rear wheel 1-ton 4-wheel drive is a rare square body configuration. Powered by a 454 cubic inch throttle body, injected V8 and automatic transmission, it represents the first year of General Motors throttle body injection in heavy-duty trucks and the final year for this specific body configuration. The engine and transmission have been rebuilt, with numerous mechanical updates performed. Showing approximately 120,000 original miles and accompanied by a clean title, this Casper, Wyoming truck offers collectible heavy-duty capability with historical significance in the square body lineage.